Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add clients to a project in Basecamp. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up the specific project. Click on it. And then once done, as you can see here, right off the bat, you'll have this button that says add some people. So what you'll do is just click on it. And then once done, we have these tabs. Okay. Just click on clients. There you go. There will be a slider that says work with clients. You can go ahead and click on the slider to be able to turn it on. And then once done, just go ahead and add in the client's company name. Let's say, for example, Ryan's Coffee Shop. I'm going to click on the blue button right here. And then once done, I'm going to hit on Save Changes. And after that, you can now go ahead and click on Add Clients. Okay, it says here, who do you want to add to this project? So what you'll do is just type down their name. For example, Brian, Tristan. Okay, so what you'll do is just click on this hyperlink that says be sure to invite people to your account before you add them to this project. So just click on it and then select a client you're doing work for. And click on next. Add in the full name, maybe Ryan, Tristan. Job title, client. Email, type down the email, and then type down the company or organization name. Just click on the drop down right here and you'll have the organization name ready. Okay, you can go ahead and add in personal note to the invitation email, like please accept this invite to view our workflow. Okay, now once done, just click on email invitation. It says here invitation email to Brian Tristan. They'll get an email. And in the meantime, you can go ahead and set up which projects they can see. Click on it and make sure that you select the correct project. And then once done, just click on Save Changes for the client. Okay. Now, the client, on the other hand, will receive this specific email. Okay. It says here, Ryan Christian, which is me, added you to the YouTube project in Basecamp. So what they'll do is just go ahead and click on this green button, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, they can either log in by using their own account. If they don't have an account yet, they can go ahead and click on make a new login with email. Wait for it. And as you can see here, as fast as that, they are now a member of your project. And there you have it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.